Here we got Anthony Massimino with Remediation911. I broke bread with this man. This is a good guy. He's wrote a book here on who he does, but he's been a dynamic entrepreneur. He has a passion for helping others. He's been a public adjuster. He opened up Remediation911 in 2011. He works with his wife, his kids. It's a family business. They do it right. White glove type treatment. I can go on, but we're going to have Anthony Massimino talk. He's very articulate. He'll tell you the story of what Remediation911 is all about. Anthony.
I think anything I say from this point forward is going to be better than that joke, Bobby. And as far as I came here tonight to talk about Remediation911, but after that GOP disaster last night, I think I'm here to run for the GOP presidential election. I mean, that was bad. So, anyways, Anthony Massimino with Remediation911. We're a family-owned business. We're celebrating in November a decade in business. I'm a public adjuster in the state of Florida still, but I transitioned from public adjusting into remediation. We're building contractors, we're mold remediators, mold assessors, and also HVAC contractors. So emergency services, it's pretty simple. It's water extraction, mold remediation, and fire restoration. We're building contractors like anybody else in the state that's building. But really, as I'm sitting up here, I always wing this, and I'm sitting here and I'm listening to this panel, and I'm not going to take up a lot of time, but if you're looking for perfection when it comes to restoration and remediation, you want to look to Remediation911. And I'm going to tell you why, all right? Because up here right now, we have a distributing and manufacturing company that we work with directly. I have all my insurance through Brian. Kim and I are just starting to establish a relationship. ClaimPays is cutting edge in respect to helping the insurance industry help with all the changes that are happening here right now and funding contractors and helping us stay liquid through these storms. Renegade Roofing and Storm Consultants, guys are top notch. When it comes to the industry, Paul has done it all. The guy on the end, Harvey Cohen, if you don't know who he is, I'm just letting you right now know that he is a pioneer. He is a true champion for law when it comes to insurance claims. This guy has wrote the book on how to fight insurance companies. But that's not it. It's just not these people up here. Stephen Harmon, Mr. Harmon, would you raise your hand, please? All right, Mr. Harmon is a level 5 Xactimate trainer, one of 55 in the country, in the world, that actually is a trainer, okay? All of my staff is trained by Mr. Harmon. That makes a big deal for us. Best Storm Consultants, that's a company that we do business with that we're very excited to align ourselves with. Going through the group, I'm just looking for different people. Oh, yeah, Keel Construction. This guy's one of the best contractors in Southwest Florida. If you're looking for high-end work, that's who you need to go to. So when you end up with Remediation911, when you find your way to Remediation911, it's not just Remediation911. It's the coalition of all of the partners that I've aligned myself with to help your clients throughout this whole process and really set ourselves apart from everybody else in the industry. I mean, I've got a public adjuster that just came down that I just was introduced to. It called me up from Tampa to come here. All of these people are who help make Remediation911 number one, I believe, in the industry. And I know I can't leave Shane out as well. This guy's a buildings forensic guy. He's one of the best guys in the industry. His reports are incredible, and he's a great referral source for Remediation911. So just want to let you know that I'm not going to take a lot of time. We dry structures. We remove mold from structures. We do fire restoration. We build things. We're Class A HVAC contractors. We do it all from the beginning to the end, but I couldn't be as successful as I am in my company without everybody here. And I want to give a round of applause to everybody that's here that I don't know, because it's Thursday night, it's 8:30 at night. You're hearing a lot of people talk about a lot of things. You're starting to glaze over. And the fact is you're winners because you're here. So I want to align myself with all of you that are here that I don't know, because the fact is you have to be cut from the same cloth as my company, okay? So moving forward, I'd love to meet you before you leave here. Again, Anthony Massimino, Remediation911, guys. Thank you for being here. Yeah, this guy up front raised our average age big time to average age.